Do you want great audio quality at an affordable price? Well, the Zoom H1 is what you're looking for. Welcome to unirainbow. Hi, my name is Harnoor, and today I will be giving you guys a review on the Zoom H1. I have recently started using this device as my audio recorder, and I am really impressed from the audio quality it gives. This is really compact and it's really lightweight, so it's easy to carry around and you can fit it in your pocket or bag. If you want great audio quality for your YouTube videos, class lectures, podcasts, you should consider buying this. Let's take a closer look around it. On the top of the device, you have two very good quality stereo mics. On the front of the unit, you have a simple display which gives you the information like mic level, recording status, time remaining, battery status, file format, etc. On the top of the mic, there is a red light which tells you if you're recording. And on the center of the Zoom H1, you will find a big record button which allows you to start and stop recording. On the right side of this device, first you have a line and jack which can be used to attach an external mic. In this video, I will be attaching an external lavalier mic to this port. Then you have two buttons to increase or decrease the mic level. You can set the mic level from 1 to 100. I prefer to keep it on 50. Then you have three buttons to play or pause the already recorded audio and select the next and previous audio recording if you have multiple recordings. Then you have the delete button to delete the currently selected audio recording. Then you have the power button to switch on the device. In order to on and off this device, you need to slide down the power button and hold it for 2 to 3 seconds. And then, at last, you have the mini USB port to transfer recordings from the Zoom H1 to the computer. Or you can also give power to the device through the USB port. On the left-hand side of this device, first you have the line-out port, which can be used to attach headphones to listen to the recordings or the mic level. Then there is a volume up and down button for the headphones. Then you have a micro SD card slot. This is where your recordings get stored. I have installed a 32 GB card which can store very long hours of audio recording. On the back of this device, you have three buttons. First is the low cut on and off button. I keep this button on because I don't want to record very low voice. Then you have the auto mic level, which increases and decreases the level of mic according to the voice it's receiving. I keep the setting off because I want to set the mic at the same level at all times. Then you have the button to select the file format. You have an option to choose between MP3 or WAV. I keep it on MP3, which makes smaller file size as WAV and gives almost similar audio quality. Then there's a tripod hole, which is made out of plastic. So if you want to attach the Zoom H1 on top of your DSLR camera or stand, don't tighten it too much because it may break the unit. And at last, you have the battery compartment. Zoom H1 works with single alkaline AA battery. You get up to 10 hours of audio recording. There is one small thing left at the bottom of this unit, which is a low-quality tiny speaker. Its volume is very low, and you can listen to the recording by keeping it near your ear. Okay, so now let's do the real testing. Let's test the Zoom H1 inbuilt mic, the Zoom H1 attached with lavalier mic, and the camera inbuilt mic in indoor and outdoor situations. This is a test for the Zoom H1 inbuilt mic. I am currently 5 feet away from the camera right now. You can optionally attach a windscreen onto the mic if you want to avoid hisses and popping noises. I suggest you should not do tapping or knocking on this device because this will happen. That doesn't sound pretty nice. The stereo mics are so sensitive that they will catch it and record it inside of your recording, which you probably won't want. To easily prevent this, you can just attach an external lavalier mic so that it will be prevented. Let's move on to the next test. This is a test for the lavalier mic attached with the Zoom H1. I attached it from the line-in port. You can easily buy a lavalier mic from Amazon in the price range of $30 to $50. The advantage of having a lavalier mic is you get hands-free operation. So you can just put your recorder down on a table, in a bag, or in a pocket, and you have both hands free at the same time. So let's move on to the next test. This is the audio test from the DSLR camera inbuilt mic. I am currently sitting 5 feet away from the camera right now, and this may not be as crisp as the Zoom H1 with or without the lavalier mic. You may be experiencing some background noise as well. Let's do some tests outdoors now where the Zoom H1 really excels. So this is the test for the Zoom H1, and I'm about 4 feet away from the camera right now. Now let me just move a little back. And this is about estimately 10 feet away from the camera, and there's no change in the audio because I'm holding the Zoom H1. But when you hear it in the camera, it's going to be a big change because it's going to be far away. Anyway, if you, as you can see, I have a windscreen on my Zoom H1. It's because it's a little windy outside, and I don't want the wind blowing into the mic. But if it's a little too windy, like pretty windy, like really windy outside, then I suggest you use the dead cat, which prevents the wind fully. This just prevents a little bit like hisses and any type of stuff like that. Okay, so this is a test from the lavalier mic attached to the Zoom H1, and right now I am outside, and it's I'm about 4 feet away from the camera right now. And now I am about 10 feet away from the camera, and there's no difference, like I said earlier, because I'm using a mic. And also, I'm pretty sure you guys can like see a difference between the lavalier mic and the Zoom H1. That's because they're two different mics, but now the Zoom H1 became a recorder for this mic. Now I'm recording from this DSLR camera, and I'm about 4 feet away from the camera. And now I'm moving about, I think this is estimatedly 10 feet away. So I'm just going to keep going further back until you guys probably won't be able to hear me. So good luck! So I'm about like really far away from the camera. I don't think you can hear me now, but yeah. I don't want to go on the road. Okay, so I'm even further back, but like I don't want to go on the road, so like I got off the road. But I don't think you guys can hear me right now, so I'm pretty loud right now. Right now I'm talking pretty loud, and I don't think you guys can still hear me, but yeah. Now I'm recording from this DSLR camera, and I'm about 4 feet away from the camera. And now I'm moving about, I think this is estimatedly 10 feet away. So I'm just going to keep going further back until you guys probably won't be able to hear me. So good luck! So I'm about like really far away from the camera. I don't think you can hear me now, but yeah. I don't want to go on the road. Okay, so I'm even further back, but like I don't want to go on the road, so like I got off the road. But I don't think you guys can hear me right now, so I'm pretty loud right now. Right now I'm talking pretty loud, and I don't think you guys can still hear me, but yeah. With all these tests, now you have a good idea of how the Zoom H1 works in all different types of situations, indoor and outdoor. If you want to improve the audio quality of your YouTube videos, I suggest you go and grab the Zoom H1, and you won't regret it. If you like this video, please comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!